You are scared out of your mind because your iPod has a frozen screen. Do not worry, this is commonplace and very easy to fix. Here is exactly how to do it. Follow these steps. Method 1. 1. Connect the iPod Touch or iPhone to your computer that it normally synchronizes. It will need to be able to access iTunes in order for this method to work. 2. Hold the home button and the sleep button at the same time. The Apple icon should be there starting off, should turn off, and then reappear, all within about 10 seconds of holding the two buttons together. 3. Continue holding the home and sleep buttons until the iPod screen prompts you to connect to iTunes. This may take 30 seconds of holding both buttons. A message from iTunes will pop up on your computer. Click OK. 4. Click the recover button on the iTunes screen. 5. Click Update and Recover next. 6. Click OK when iTunes asks you to keep your iPod connected to iTunes. Do not do anything to your iPod, allow it to be recognized by iTunes. 7. Sync your iPod with iTunes again. This master reset will unfortunately delete all your music, photos, and videos, meaning that you will need to synchronize the iPod again to retrieve all of your media. Method 2. 1. Set the iPod on a flat surface for easier button pressing. 2. Attach the iPod to a power source. The source of power can be a normal socket, power adapter, a powered FireWire port for 3G and earlier iPods, or your computer's high-powered USB 2.0 port. You can try to fix the iPod without power first, if wished, but if the fix does not work, it is an indicator that your iPod also needs a recharge. 3. Slide the iPod's hold switch into the hold position. Then, turn it off again. 4. Hold down the menu button and the center button middle button together for approximately 6 to 7 seconds. Do this until the screen resets itself. Then release the buttons. 5. Wait for a few minutes or much longer, and the Apple logo should come up on your screen. Your iPod is now rebooting, and in a short while will return to the main menu screen. Your iPod is now reset. Until the next video.